Hi everyone! Today we'll show you how to make the best instant ramen. Cut green onions and slice kiwi fruits. Cook a typical instant noodle packet in boiling water. Loosen the noodles with chopsticks. Drop an egg and cook for a couple of minutes. Add the flavor packet as you turn off the heat and drop half a tablespoon of butter. It deepens the flavor and adds the richness to the broth. Serve immediately in a bowl, and we are going to add some toppings. Blanched bean sprouts and green onions are classic, and add some kiwi fruits for refreshing twist. And today we are going to add mochi, not just one but 3 flavors of mochi ice cream. Add some strawberries and gummy bears for pop-up color and texture. Sweet and cold mochi go surprisingly well with hot and savory ramen. Enjoy!
美味しい。
美味しいね。